you need to remove this cover, and over here is the memory card. What you need to do is to format your SD card as FAT32, and you can do it from Windows and select FAT32. But if the memory card is bigger than 32 gigs, it will not allow you to. So you can use a software like Disk Genius. I use this one, which is free, Disk Genius. And then you go here, select your device, and you can also perform a right click and go to format, current partition, and select FAT32, and pretty much that's it. In this case, I have a 64 gig memory card, which will go over here. You have the card here, and just push. Then close the menu, click on video recorder, click on dismiss. I will show you the 4 cameras, and then you just click recording, and I will record. And if you stop, you can go to the hard drive, to the memory card, by clicking this button or this button, and you will be able to see all the previous recordings. Then if you want to go back again, you go to video list and click recording, and I will record using the 4 cameras. And pretty much that's it.